So it's been almost 4 or 5 hours, 6 hours me fucking with this printer and this ink printer and that ink with the Magic Mix in it. Okay, been fighting about 4 or 5 hours. Can't get it to print. I have to pull it apart. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The sludge. See that? That right down in there. That's what I'm talking about. That's sludge. That's a buildup from, yes, you got it, the Magic Mix. I've used LCL inks for the longest and I've never ever had that problem. Not once. Okay, give me a second. I have to get a thing to show you the sludge. Hold on. Look at that sludge. Try zoom in there, I'll show you. See it? Look down in there. Look at that sludge. Look at that buildup. That's it. Look, see that buildup right there? All that sludge. The second one, this one looked like it finally got cleared up, but this was doing the same thing this one was doing. Okay, so I can't get the ink to come through, and I think what's happening too is it's building up all the way in the lines, all the way down into the print bottles. All right, so it's all the way down in here. So that sludge buildup is way the fuck down here. So now I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna clean all this up, clean all that up because I don't know if it's even sludging inside this thing. I don't know if it's sludging inside here. I'm gonna clean it all up again and try again because that sludge right there, man, that's just nasty stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna see if that clears up and then try printing again because I've been fighting with this thing for hours and you can see that's what's causing the problem. That mesh, the screen I was talking about. See that screen right here? This screen won't let that sludge through, so I have to just clean it up and try again. So on the Epson 8550, that Magic Mix stuff. Again, I don't know if the inks. I don't know if it's the ink. I'm gonna switch out the inks. I already poured the non-Magic Mix inks in the bottle. Open the bottle because I was trying to see if it will work without it, but I had to take the printhead apart again, and I'm gonna clean it up, put it back together, and give it a shot and see what happens. And I hope that works because if that don't work, then I know it's not the Magic. But as you can see, what the Magic Mix does, and I'm pretty sure it's work because my printhead's not clogged, my printhead's not dead. It's printing, it's trying to print, but it just can't print because the sludge is built up in there. So now I'm gonna later. All right, I want to show y'all something. Okay, never had this problem before. I've been running this printer with this same damper in it for I can't even tell you how long. Okay, and look at this. It's actually clogging. See that right there? That's dried up white ink. Okay, that's dried up white ink. So what's going on is that the damn ink, that. See, look at that. Look at this one right here. See that? Right there. See it? Everything else is clean but that. So in the very first one where I was putting the ink inside the put that Magic Mix inside the bottles, and I told you I didn't like the fact that it was actually clumping at the bottom of the bottle like that. There it is. It's clogging up my dampers. It's clogging up my printhead. And honestly, now that I'm seeing this, I hope y'all watching this, I don't think I can recommend this damn Magic Mix ink because if it's clogging up my printer like that, I've never had this problem. I've tried so many different inks and I've never had that happen inside the dampers or my printhead. So yeah, that Magic Mix stuff, there's an issue with it. So I'm gonna keep testing because even though I'm having problems, I'm gonna keep testing because I want to make sure when I'm done I can say definitively, yeah, don't buy this stuff. But there it is. There's a problem with it, and I'm showing you right here. I'm gonna show it to you again. See that? Never had this problem before. Never, ever, ever. In all this time I've been testing out all different weird inks, I've never had the ink drying up inside the dampers. Never had that. Look at that. See that? Look at it. clogging here, drying up there. That stuff is moving down there. Okay, that's just the residue. Let me see. Let me make sure. Nope, look, see, it's not even moving. There, good. Okay, good, it moved. All right, perfect. But as you can see, that stuff didn't move one bit. See it? Still sitting there. It's a clog. It's starting to dry out. So it's starting to dry up inside the dampers. That is not cool. But I'm gonna test it different ways. I'm gonna test it with a different set. As you can see, I bought a different set of dampers. I'm gonna give that a shot too, see what happens. It's not looking good already. But again, the choice is yours to do what you want to do. I don't know what they're gonna do to fix that problem, but that's a problem, and they're gonna have to figure out how to fix it, because I'm not happy with that. You see the sludge that was built up inside the print head. Sludge building up inside the damper, and there's sludge building up inside my ink bottle. It's not looking so good. But again, I'll keep testing. Okay. After all that fighting, okay, over 4 hours fighting that printer with that ink in it, okay? About 4 hours fighting with that printer with that ink in it, alright? The Magic Mix. Remember, we're talking about Magic Mix, okay? With the Magic Mix ink in there, the white inks, and it's just the, again, I haven't had any problems with the color inks. It's all the white inks. I don't know if I'm gonna have problem with the color inks, but when I pull the printer apart to replace with the when I switch over to the nipple conversion, I'll be able to, I'm gonna record that and see if the color ones are clogging up too. But for right now, it's just the white ones I'm having issues with, because you know the white ones clog like nobody's business. So me pulling apart the print head, cleaning it up, switching the ink from the Magic Mix to the non-Magic Mix. 20 minutes. Sorry, 10. I think it was 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. I'm printing again. Look. Perfect nozzle check. Alright. Within 15 to 20 minutes, I was printing again. After spending 4+ hours fighting with it with the Magic Mix ink in it. So, there's an issue with that Magic Mix ink. I don't know if it's gonna, if the nipple conversion is gonna work a little different, but as you can see, the Epson, and then this is for Epson 8550 converted. I don't know about any other printer. I don't know any other thing. So when I switch over to the nozzle, to the nipple conversion, that will give you give us a even a nicer, good flow of what's gonna happen if you use that ink. That's all I can say. So far for the 8550. I wouldn't recommend it. And I'm gonna use this like this for a couple of days. I want to get the ink down, the non-Magic Mix ink, at least halfway. I want to go through at least halfway the bottle and see if I'm having the same amount of issues I was having with the Magic Mix one. Just putting that out there. All right. So until next time, peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.